So as I initially said, we get three heat sinks. One is for the microcontroller, another is for the RAM, DDR RAM, and this is for USB controller. So this is the smallest one, and this is rectangular, and this is the square one for the microcontroller. So behind we'll be having some stickers which we need to remove, and the gum will be always available for that one. We have to just put it there and press it. So this is how I have placed it. So now it is not get detached from the board, and these are very helpful for heat sinking processor, heat sinking process, because these are my Raspberry Pis or the boards which will be continuously running throughout the day and all. So we need to reduce the heat which will generate in the processors and the RAM and all. So these are the device means like options they have provided. Usually these will come with the kit, so that is the main advantage for buying a full Raspberry kit, where they provide most of the tools to overcome the challenges. Otherwise we have to go for individual ones purchases. So since it's my first Raspberry Pi, I don't want to take any risk. It is helping me a lot. Okay, now let's place the base. We can see here the clamp or the stopper. We have to place inside this one and get it fixed over here so that it should not fall. So since the box will come like this, and the USB connections will come this side, so we have to place this one below under this and place it correctly. Make sure it is not loosely connected. Okay, since I am holding the camera, it is quite difficult, but still I could able to manage. That is the beauty of these cases. Unfortunately, they haven't given the screws for these fans, so I'll think later whether we need to glue it or we'll get the screws for this one. But for the initial setup, I think this is enough. I have placed the case. Now it's time to plug in to the computer, monitor and the keyboard. Okay, coming back to this SD card, micro SD card. So if you see here, it is already opened because they have installed Noops package already into this SD card. Noops is a software which helps us to boot or install the operating system into the Raspberry Pi, which is Raspbian. So the Raspbian is an operating system, official operating system for the Raspberry. Okay, the setup is ready. If you see here, this is a Pi. I could not able to put the fan because the screws were not given, so I need to see some other alternative how to fix this one. And here the SD card, I have placed it. This SD card is already having Noops package in this one. So just Noops means it's a new out of the box software which helps Raspbian operating system to get installed. And here this is for the monitor, the micro SD HDMI, and this one is the power switch. So we have a power button here to switch on and off. and I connected a mouse and a keyboard for the use. Okay, then let's switch on. Let's see what happens. And let me switch on the button. This is on, this is on. Let us switch on the TV. Sorry, monitor. Actually, this is a TV which I had a spare TV at my home. So I have to go for the input signal and okay, input is HDMI. Okay, now my switch on. It will take a little bit of time. I could see a small cursor here coming up. Oh, so our operating system has booted. I think we are ready to start. Oh, superb. So it's working well. We are getting a screen of Pi box, which we can change later on, and our operating system booted very well. And I think we need to change some of the preferences, adding our authentication to the system and all. Well, that I can do it later. But yeah, my Raspberry is working. And let me see, we have programming, BlueJ for Java, and yeah, we have another for Greenfoot for Java IDE, and Scratch might be for Python development. One more is a Thorny Python IDE. Cool. Let me see what are the versions we have. Let's go to the command prompt. Say Java. Let me keep the camera closed. Java SV unrecognized. Do we have Java installed? Oh yeah, Java minus version. I'm not sure if this is the right command. Oh, it is there, so I can see version 11 is available, and Python 2.7 is available. Superb. So you can upgrade it later, whichever version you want. Yeah, I'm happy. Raspberry is working. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other updates on the Raspberry. Till then, bye bye.